What's up everyone, Chuck with VMP Performance, and behind me we've got our new social media guy JD's 2016 Ford Mustang. Now this car is completely bone stock, and frankly that's no way to work at VMP. So we got him hooked up with the 18 manifold ported by Brett Barber over at AFS. We got a JLT cold air intake and a custom VMP tune. But first we're going to throw this thing on the rollers and we're going to see what it makes stock. We're going to throw the parts at it and we'll see where we end up. Stay tuned and find out. All right, so as you can see, we've got the car off the rollers, we're cruising down the road, and the big question is, well, what did it make? Well, stock, the car actually put down 389 wheel and 364 pound-feet of torque. Not bad, but pretty typical numbers for a Gen 2 Coyote with the MT82. After we got the stock numbers, we threw the AFS Ported 18 manifold, the JLT intake, and we had Mike here at VMP ride a custom tune for the car. We actually were able to get the car up to 420 wheel horsepower, 386 pound-feet of torque, and we were seeing as much as 40 wheel horsepower under the curve gains around 4,500 RPM. Now, that kind of power increase on an NA car is pretty ridiculous, and it's absolutely something you're going to feel driving the car every day, and especially with the increased rev limiter, this thing's going to be a blast to drive. All right, so honestly, we couldn't be happier with the numbers that JD's car picked up. For just a few simple mods you can do in your garage in just a couple hours, 40 wheel horsepower under the curve is something you're definitely gonna feel. If you're interested in getting a deal like this for your car, just give us a call at Sales and Support. We'll hook you up. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all our socials for more content just like this. See you again next time.